Morning, everybody. This is Kristoff, Dusty Trails 4x4. Let me see if we can get a day shot here. Ta-da! Hi. So, this is a really hazy day. Look at how the mountains are all silhouetted. Hazy, hazy. All the way around. Look how hazy that is. Barely see anything past the half-mile area. Anyway, I'm out here, obviously, at the property, the ranch, and bringing in water, even though I could just as easily get the well going. But quick little inventory. I've got this roll of wire here, and there's this thing right here. Once upon a time we used to tie horses to it, right there with the railroad ties. You see more wire bundles there, little thing there. Hey look, postal digger, what do you know? Some T-posts. Here's a shovel. I just heard a big piece of metal go rattle rattle from right over there because it's a little breezy today. So that piece of metal on top of that trailer there just made a noise. So yeah, there's a magnet for picking up nails. You can see all the nails already on it. Yep, postal diggers, cables, a sheet of galvanized metal, pickaxe, shovel, leaf rake, wire, bundles of wire. Yeah, I was going to work on the fence over here this past weekend, but I think having a hard time breathing with all this crap in the air. I know my brother Patrick could identify with that, but I did do that up there. We've had some real gusty wind since I put that smokestack up there, and I didn't screw that together. I just kind of tarred it together, which I'm told is probably the worst thing I could have done. But you know what? The wind has not blown it apart, so I still have a chance to get up there and throw some screws in it. Christine, neighbor, moved her RV from over there to over here. That way it's right near the septic tank. And our property neighbors over at the Pettis, or whoever owns it, they're the ones with the boat right there. Right there. You notice they put up a shed. And they're dropping off a few vehicles and stuff. And it's like right next to the property line. That's pretty weird. Nothing I can do about that. Oh, puppies. Oof. And it's not really windy, it's just, you know, a little breezy, a little hazy, or a lot hazy. I'm told it's Forestry Service is doing some preventative burns up in the mountains, up around Santa Fe, whatnot. Anyway, so yeah, bundles of wire, horse tie postal digger. It's all here. Talk to y'all later. Oh, hey, look, doggos. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, this is Kristoff addendum. So I have covered that up slightly, or somewhat. There's a antenna. And I just remembered that Ron wasn't looking for a digger, he was looking for a driver. Oh, all the doggies are getting...
I got Dixie too.
Yay, Dixie. All the doggies are getting friendly together. So, there's the trailer. There's my little art project. It used to be a clothes drying line. There was it used to be Grandma's garden and orchard. It's going to become my chicken yard right here. But right here is a postal driver, or a T-post driver. And look, some T-posts. So it's trailer. You know, follow, and there it is. So how do you get there? You take that little trail right there, down this way, and there it is. Alrighty. That was my addendum. See y'all later. Check out the merch.